Hello everyone, welcome back to our English grammar class. I hope you all have resumed your studies seriously and you are maintaining the completion of books. Let's have a recap what we did so far. We began with all the types of nouns and its exercises, which was followed up by the numbers and all the rules pertaining to form plurals from singulars. If you have understood them well and jotted down all the rules, then you will be at ease to attempt all the exercises and moving ahead with positivity. So let's start. There are some useful rules for making plurals. This is just the brief up of all the lesson what we have done in the last week. So I request everyone to pay heed to all these rules, which are the summarization of the previous chapter, which was based on numbers. So today, before going to check all the exercises, I will repeat these rules which we have already done. In the first column, there is a one box which contains 4 columns. In the first column, singular ending. What it means here? It means that the words which are ending with S, Z, SH, GE and CH. How do we make the plurals from these singular endings? We add ES with those words which end with S, Z, SH, GE or CH. In the third column, we have few examples. As first example is pass, PASS, as the word ends in double S. So we will add ES to form plural. So the answer is passes. Similarly, there is another example, bush, word ends in SH, and the answer would be bushes. When there is singular endings with CH, GE, SH, S or Z, then there is another rule also to form the singular into plural. Add S if the singular ends in E, right? So the examples are here in front of you. The first example is blouse, like BLOUSE. Here the word ends in E. So we will just add S, not ES. So you have to remember these rules to form plurals from the singulars. The second one is page, 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 and the answer would be pages. Now we will move on to the second row, that is the sounds made by the letters P, T, K and TH. So what would you do? You will add S, and the examples are here in front of you. Cap into caps, book into books. Here the words which are given, they end with P and K. The third row has another rule for you, the letter Y with a consonant before it. So what would we do? We will change Y to I and add ES. Yes, and examples are baby, babies, puppy, puppies. Here we have changed Y to I and add ES. Exceptions are everywhere, no doubt. We have given exceptions also, like when the Y has a vowel before it, add only S. Yes, it's very true, children. When we have the words which have Y, has a vowel. We say Y has a vowel before it. Like we have Y. Y is the last letter, but the preceded letter is O, and O is a vowel. So then we will not add ES, we will add only S. Similarly, there is another word, monkey, and the answer is monkeys. We have not removed Y, or we have not changed Y into IES as we did in the previous examples of baby and puppy. So please note down seriously that what is the major difference. If the Y, last letter Y, has a vowel before it, then we will not write IES, we will simply add S. Obviously we will not add IES. Then comes our next rule, the letter O. What would we do if the singular endings are with the letter O? Then we will add only S. For example, studio into studios, kangaroo into kangaroos. Here we have simply added S, not ES, not IES. So exceptions are also there. Some words need ES. For example, potato, potatoes, eco, ecos. Here also the words end with O, but we are not writing only S as we did with studio and kangaroo. We are adding ES. So the exceptions are everywhere, and we do need to remember all the exceptions in these cases. And then comes the next rule, when the letters F or FE are there in the singulars, we say the singular endings with these letters, then we will replace F or FE with the VES. Like half into halves, HALF, F is changed into VES. Knife, here the last letters are FE, not only F. Still we change into VES, KNIVES. Add just S to some other nouns. This is the exception, children, like cliff into cliffs and belief into beliefs. Here we are not writing or replacing F or FE into VES. We are simply adding S with double F or single F. I hope these all rules will help you a lot to understand this complete chapter. Exercise A. What is there in this question? Choose the correct plurals of the following nouns. We are given 10 nouns, right? And what we have to do? We have to choose the correct plurals of the given nouns, as we are given 3 answers in the bracket, and we are supposed to choose the correct plural of the following nouns. Let's proceed. Number 1, scarf, 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 and the answers given in the bracket are scarves, SCARFS, SCARVES, and SCARS, right? Second question is river, REVER. What are the plurals? RIVERS, RIVERES, or RIVIES. You have to choose the correct plurals. Number 3, women, WOMAN. The answers are WOMANS, WOMEN, and WEMEN. Number 4, mouse, MOUSE. The answers are MOUSES, MOSES, or MICE. Number 5, block, BLOCK. The words given in the bracket are BLOCKES, BLOCKK, or BLOCKS. You have to identify the correct plurals. Yes, if you have understood the rules well, you will do it quickly without wasting time. Number 6, ring, R-I-N-G, R-I-N-G-E-S, R-I-N-G-Z, and R-I-N-G-S. Number 7, mile, M-I-L-E. The answers are, or we can say, the words given in the bracket are M-I-L-S, M-I-double-L-S, or M-I-L-E-S. Number 8, H-E-R-O, hero. The words given in the bracket are H-E-R-O-S, H-E-R-O-E-S, or H-E-R-S. Number 9, language. The words are L-A-N-G-U-A-G-S, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-I-E-S, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E-S. The last word is thief, T-H-I-E-F. The words given in the bracket are T-H-I-E-F-S, T-H-I-E-V-S, or T-H-I-E-V-E-S. I hope you would have done it and ready to correct the answers. Right. Let's check all the answers of exercise A. It was just the thorough of this exercise. We had to just read it out, that what is given in question A. Now we will proceed with its answers. So ready with the answers? Let's see the answers of exercise A. The first answer is scarves, S-C-A-R-F-S. I request all of you to have a pen in your hand to correct all the answers in your grammar book, which is very important and going to help you during the exams and your final exams. You have to be ready with all these exercises. Number 1, S-C-A-R-F-S. Number 2, R-I-V-E-R-S, reverse. Number 3, women, W-O-M-E-N. Number 4, mice, M-I-C-E. Number 5, blocks, B-L-O-C-K-S. Number 6, rings, R-I-N-G-S. Number 7, miles, M-I-L-E-S. Number 8, heroes, H-E-R-O-E-S. Number 9, languages, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E-S. And number 10 is thieves, T-H-I-E-V-E-S. So this was all about the answers of exercise A. Exercise B. Filling the blanks correctly using the singular or plural forms of the words given in brackets. Number 1. Dash, trees are very old. The word given in the bracket is that. Number 2. The dash was cancelled because of rain. The word given in the bracket is match. Number 3. Dash and dash are pets. The words given in the bracket are mouse and louse. Number 4. Some kings had many dash, W-I-F-E, wife. Number 5. There are 2 dash in her bag, jeans, J-E-A-N-S. Number 6. Dash are not afraid of ghost. The word given in the bracket is I. Then comes number 7. Dash had 3 little dash, Himesh and Puppy. Number 8. Saluram was caught by the police for killing dash in the forest. The word given or the noun given in the bracket is deer. Number 9. A few dash were trying to dig a dash on the dash. The words given in the bracket are man, well, mountain. And the number 10 in the last sentence of this exercise is dash music player needs 3 dash. The words are this and battery. So this was all about the exercise B. Now we will look into the answers of this exercise B. So are you all ready with the answers of exercise B? Good. Let's start. Answers of exercise B. Number 1. The words which are highlighted and are in red color are all the answers of these blanks. Number 1. Those trees are very old. Even I have given the nouns or the words which they have given in the bracket for your reference. Like in the first sentence, the word given is that. So what I have done, I have put that into the plurals. Yes, because that is used for the singular. As I've told you many a times before that this and that used for the singulars, but these and those are always the plurals. So here the plural of that would be those. Number 2. The dash was cancelled because of rain. The match. The right answer would be match only. So it's not necessary that the word that they have given in the bracket is to be written into the plural. If the subject and verb agrees, then it may go with the same word which they have given in the bracket. Number 3. Mouse and louse are pets. Here the same words which are given in the brackets are being used. Even some of you would have written mice and lice would also be correct because they have given the verb are. So that way also the answer will be correct if you have written mice and lice are pets. Okay. Number 4. Some kings had many wives. F-E is changed into V-E-S. Number 5. There are 2 jeans in her bag. Jeans is already given in the bracket and the same answer is being used here. Number 6. We are not afraid of ghost. I is changed into we. Okay. Number 7. Himesh was caught by the police for killing deer in the forest. So deer is used as a singular as well as a plural also. So don't forget the rules which we have done in the lesson. Number 9. A few men were trying to dig a well on the mountain. Then comes the number 10. Answer is this music player needs 3 batteries. This will remain into this only and battery Y is changed into IES. I hope you are all understood and you have corrected the answers also in your grammar book. Let's proceed. Exercise C. Complete the following table with the correct words. Put a cross in those boxes where no words are to be written. So what you are supposed to do in this question, you have to go through the table first. We are given 2 tables here in this exercise C. In first box, when the first column is with singular and the second column is to be written with the plural, right? In some rows we are given the singular and in the other rows we are given the plural. So what you have to do, you have to fill in the blank where the singular is blank or where the plural is blank. Accordingly you will fill in the answers, right? In the first row we are given the plural. colleges. So what would you write? College in the singular column. COLLEGE. Anyhow, we will be discussing the answers in the next slide. Here you have to just go through the question, what you have to do in this exercise C. When we go to the second row, in that row we find the word given is hotel. So the plural is to be written by you. Sister, PROOF, proof. Then comes trousers, TROUSERS. Now we are reading the plural here. And then comes pockets, POCKETS. Then comes doctor, DOCTOR. Hoof, HOOF. Echoes, ECHOES. Foot, FOOT. Hands, HANDS. Box, BOX. Let's move on to the second box. In the first column we are given the singular with child, CHILD, and the plural column is empty. We have to write the answers here. The second row is with salesmen. Here we are given the plural. Then the next row is with prices, PRIZES. Then comes candy, CANDY. Then comes scissors, SCISSORS. Tomato, TOMATO. Spice, SPIES. Mouths, MOUTHS. Loaves, LOAVES. Tooth, TOOTH. Day, DAY, and LIP, lip. So this was all about the second table. So we have to correct the answers in the next slide. So are you all ready? Good. Let's proceed. Answers of exercise C. I have written with red color, so it will highlight all the answers. In the first box, we are given the two columns, singular and plural. So the first answer is college, COLLEGE. Second answer is hotels, HOTELS. Then comes sisters, SISTERS. Proofs, PROOFS. Here I have given trousers. As already trousers is the same correct answer, you may put a cross here. Trousers will remain into trousers, right? Then comes pocket, POCKET, pocket. Doctors, DOCTORS, doctors. Hoops, HOOFS. Echo, ECHO. Feet, FEET. Hand, HAND. Boxes, BOXES, boxes. Have you completed the first table? Okay, let's move on to the second table. Child into children, CHILDREN. Salesman, SALESMAN. Prize, PRIZE. Candies, CANDIES. Y is changed into IES. Then again the same word is to be written because singular and plural of scissors remain the same. Okay, then comes tomatoes, TOMATOES. Spy, SPY. Mouth, MOUTH. Loaf, LOAF, loaf. Teeth, TEETH. Days, DAYS, and lips, LIPS. So this was all about the answers of exercise C. This was all about the answers of chapter numbers, where we have learnt singular and plurals in the previous video lecture which I shared week before last week. We have already done with all the rules of this chapter, and I request all of you to note down the rules somewhere, which will help you a lot to recap and to revise the whole lesson during examination. Okay, I hope you are doing everything up to the date and maintaining all the books. Thank you so much.